In the last section, we pushed up all of our code to GitHub. Travis pulled it down and started to build the project. Now I've got my build right here, and it looks like it was successfully built and deployed off to Elastic Beanstalk. So if you have any error at the Travis CI step, it very likely means that you might have made a typo somewhere along the way. As a reminder, you can always check out the GitHub repository of all of my code, which is linked in one of the very first sections in this entire course. And so that's a great place to get started if you want to do a little bit of troubleshooting. Now, assuming that the deploy for you went successfully, so all the way down here I can see deploying application, no problems with that, we can then flip over to our Elastic Beanstalk dashboard over on AWS. So once you go over here, you might see an error or a warning, which again is totally fine. We very much expected this to happen. I just wanted you to see an example error with a deployment like this. So if I scroll down a little bit, I can see recent events, and underneath recent events, you might notice an error message right here. And it says invalid setting for container client. So that is an invalid setting that was detected inside of our dockerrun.aws.json file right here. In particular, it's complaining to say that we did not specify an option called memory, and we must specify this option if we're going to use the Docker run file. So what's going on here? Well, essentially,